Hi there and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to make a little cheeseburger, hamburger, veggie burger, whichever you choose really. I like to think of it as a veggie burger. And here are an approximation of the colours that you'll need for this tutorial. So to get things started you'll need to make a bun shape, and with my blade cutter tool I'm just going to cut that right down the centre. And just neaten them up. So my burger's going to have some lettuce, so I just need to make some really teeny tiny leaves, like so. And if you wanted to, you could add some detail in, but this isn't really important because you probably won't see a whole lot of it. And moving on to the burger, with the brown clay, I'm just going to fashion a burger shape, and to give it some texture I'm using my small ball tool here, just going around the side. You don't need to go on top because obviously you're not going to see that. And just finish off with some details. Now it's cheese time, so I need to make a basic little square, and I'm just going to flatten out the edges here to create almost like a diamond shape, like the diamond emoji almost. Or is it a sparkle? One of the two. And that then flattens over the burger. And moving on to the ketchup, I need to make a basic kind of splodge shape really. Don't know what else to call it, it's a splodge, isn't it? So that then sits over the cheese like so. And pop the top of the bun on top. Now I need to make some really teeny tiny sesame seeds to make it look a little more convincing as a burger, so I need to use some really teeny tiny pieces of like a cream coloured clay, and it's probably easiest just to use your scalpel here just to cut in place on the burger bun. And lightly press them down once they're done. And now it's done. So now you'll need to bake your burger, so you'll need to refer to your own brand of Polymer clay's baking instructions. And it's all done and looks pretty much good enough to eat. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.